Yeah.
Whoa! Good shot. Is that a pass? Oh, 2 points.
This is May of 2012. Mason is showing Grandpa his dribble tricks.
I see you dribble through your legs. Whoop, there you go. Good one.
Whoa, almost right around that rim.
A little harder. Good dribble. Mason, what team do you play on?
The Celtics.
Celtics? Can you dunk it?
No.
When he gets rolling, he can do it. Can you say hi?
What?
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Oh, you're almost. Take your time when you do it.
Nicole is with Daddy tonight at her T-ball practice. I think Mason has practice tomorrow night for his single A team.
Hey, come on, you gotta aim. Hurry up. Take your time and just see where the basket is and then aim for it. Oh, that was close.
What's the matter, Mason? Whoopsie. Yay! Got that one.